everyone, this is Nicole at the Outdoor Plus, and today I'm going to talk about our ornaments that we offer to elevate your fire pits. As you can see, we have our bird nest and we have the sticks. These are designed to enhance your fire pit, how it looks, and it completely changes your outdoor area. As you can see, the flame wraps around the design that we create, and if there's something that has not been designed or created, the Outdoor Plus can totally design it. We have a full metal shop, CNC machines, welders. We can make anything. So if you have any custom projects, any custom ideas, you can see we can manufacture everything. This is an order that we have recently placed and we're preparing it to get it shipped. So this is a couple of the things that we can do. We can make any ornament. Anything can be designed for you. So if you're interested into enhancing your fire pit in your outdoor area, the Outdoor Plus is the company that you should go to. If you have any questions, or if you want to have more information about who we are, what we do, and what we can do for your custom projects, just give us a call or send us an email. We would love to help you out. See you next time.